So class, welcome back to our video class of class 7th geography section. That is, today we are going to start the first chapter of the geography, that is resource, that is environment. So in this class we are going to study more about the environment. Now what is environment? First of all, let us know about what is geography. So geography is nothing about to study about of our earth, to know of our earth. So to know of our earth means in the 6th standard you have studied about the solar system, and in this 7th standard you are going to learn about the environment. Now what is this environment? Environment is nothing but whatever we see around us, the surrounding around us is called as the environment. It is called as environment. Whatever you see in your surrounding is called environment. So whatever you see in our surrounding is called as what? It is called as environment. For example, the mountains, hills, rivers, roads, your book, your textbook, a chalk, so animals, books, cars, clothes, everything. So all this is what? It is environments. Your friends are also a part of your environment. Okay, so all of this is called as what? Environment. Environment is our basic life support system. What is environment? It is our basic life support, okay, of a system. It provides the air we breathe, the water we drink, the food we eat, and the land where we live. So what does environment provide? It provides the air what we breathe, and the food what we eat, the water what we drink. So where do we get the drinking water? From the rivers, from the bore well. So many are there resources of water. So all this from where we get? We get from our surrounding, we get from our environment, the land where we live. Okay, so all these things are the examples or the need. So environment is our basic need or the basic life system. Okay, next we are going to study the components of environment. So what are the types of the environment? You can tell now here. Environment, components of the environment are natural, human made, and human. Okay, so in this example only we can get to know. So the mountains, rivers, trees, and animals, this all are the natural. What we get in the earth itself, what we get on the earth itself, it is the natural. Whereas the books, cars, clothes, these are all things what we the people has made it. Okay, with our knowledge, with our ideas, what we have made it. So it is called as what? It is called as the human made. And next one is the human. What is the human environment now? We the people, our family, our religion, our temples, okay, our functions, the education, the economic, the political system of our country. So all this thing is nothing but the components of the environment. Okay, so here in the first one, the natural component of environment. The first is natural environment. What is this? Air means the atmosphere. Air means what? The atmosphere. Next is water, means hydrosphere. Third is the land, lithosphere. Fourth is the living things, means the biosphere, means the abiotic and the biotic, means the living things and non-living things. Okay, the animals, plants, all this comes in the living things, whereas the non-living things means all the metals. Okay, metals, then your mountains, rocks, rivers, all those things comes in the abiotic. Okay, so in living things, that is the biosphere, we can differentiate again into biotic and abiotic. Okay, here biotic means all the living things. Okay, on the earth is called as the biotic, whereas the abiotic means all the non-living things what we see in our environment is called as abiotics. So all these things are the type of the natural environment. What are these? These are the natural environment. So the air, what we breathe, okay, it has so many things in with it. Oxygen is there, carbon dioxide is there, nitrogen is there. Okay, so all these components of the air, where do we find? We find in our atmosphere. We find in our atmosphere. Then water, the rivers, okay, lakes, dams, the bore wells, all these are but the underground waters. They are the water, means the hydrosphere. Next is the land, means the lithosphere, our land. Okay, we grow our fields, we get the metals. Okay, different types of the metals we get from our land. We get the petroleum. So many things we get obtained from the land. So that is the land resources. Next is the living things or the biosphere. That is, in that it comes the biotic and the abiotic. We can differentiate it into biotic and the abiotic. Okay. Now next is the human-made. Human-made means what? The buildings, parks, roads and the monuments. Means all the things, whatever the human, we the human being, we the man, we have made it is called as what? Human-made environment. It is called as human-made environment. The home we live, the buildings, okay, then the parks, okay, the sanctuaries are there, parks is there, museums are there, then the roads, highway, truck, so many modern facilities are there, the transport systems are there, those and the monuments, the old buildings, all these things are called as what? Man-made environment. This is what? Man-made environment. And next is the human environment. And the third component of the environment is the human. What is human now? A individual means a person himself. A person himself is a resource. Okay. For example, a doctor. A doctor is a resource now. Why he is a resource? Because he has the ability to cure his patients. Okay, he has the ability to cure his patients. So, a doctor, a human being, he himself is a resource now. He himself is a environment. Okay, he is one of the main component of our environment. Next, the family, mother, father, son, daughter. So, family. Then the community means the Jains, or you can the other religions, okay, the Lingayats, and so many are there, the Muslims are there. So our community, a group of the people. Community means what? A group of the people who have the same way of the thinking, who have the same lifestyle, who have the same eating style. All this thing is called as a community. Then the religion, as I told, Muslims, Hindus. Okay, then education. Education is also an environment. The schools, colleges. Okay, then the economic means the financial, and the third is the political situation. Our political situation of a place, a political situation of a country. So all these things are being included in the environment. All these things are being included in the environment, and these are the components of environment. These are the what? The components of environment. So there are the three components of environment, that is the natural, human-made and human. There are the three components of the environment, that is the natural, human-made and the human. So till here today's video. We will continue in our next video. Thank you.